Hey guys, it's TechnoPro, and guess what I got? I got my computer stuff, or most of it at least. I still have some stuff that has to get picked up and shipped in, but this seems to be a fair amount of it. And don't forget, I also have got my tripod here. I've also got my K2AD Cooler Master case over here, which is all fine and dandy. I'm gonna do a little unboxing here for you guys. So here we've got my AMD FX 6300 in all its glory. Put that over there. Next I've got my, let's go with the small stuff here. Here I've got three of my SickleFlow 120 2000 RPM fans. 2 and 3. Then we've got Windows 8. Woohoo! My Cool Master Hyper Evo 212, which I cannot wait to get this ripped open. And the big feature, the CX750, which is a non-modular power supply. 750, holy cow, this thing's heavy. I'm just gonna leave that there. I'm not gonna lift that anymore. And here, looks like we've got ourselves a hard drive. So, there's all the amazing computer stuff that came in this shipment. I hope to make the same video for other stuff that I get in the following shipment, which should be coming very soon. So anyway, guys, I hope you enjoyed, and I will talk to you later.